There is too much data.
Issues with publishers, issues with reporting.
It's just so complex. There's so many partners. There's so much going on, and technology keeps changing.
Issues with clients.
The scope of it all.
Creative agencies, publishers, and of course the clients.
Digital advertising is incredible because there's so much data.
So much to do, so much that can go right and so much that can go wrong.
I spent Labor Day weekend optimizing a campaign.
And we don't have the resources in terms of man-hour.
Making sense of it, using it, making sure that it's actually driving performance is the difficult part.
The effectiveness of what we're doing.
Our teams are constantly immersed in analytics.
We should have this overall technology partner.
It should be like children, seen and not heard.
The product managers or whoever at the publishers can have all the great ideas in the world, but if they don't have the technology to implement it.
And you're trying to get that data and it's just working against you, that means you have less time to focus on those optimizations, improving your campaigns, improving your strategy.
What we need now is we need a simple system.
That's what I would consider the benefit of MediaMind. I mean, it's at your fingertips.
Well, MediaMind, I think, is a very important tool for us in terms of that integration process, as I said before, because the whole system of use, the tab-based system, I think, is just so easy for anyone to pick up if they just want some basic information.
The simplicity of that, of the interface, the tool, the sort of advanced functionality that's now being brought to the fingertips of our strategy and planning teams.
Everything is integrated into one tool, one system.
We can take advantage of more than just the standard offerings and really take that advanced functionality and turn it into processes that are going to drive our clients' objectives.
Being able to be on the phone with a publisher or a client and be able to answer those questions of how am I doing, and to be able to answer that every 15 minutes is very valuable.
From a media planner perspective, their ability to log in and actually feel like this is a usable environment, something that makes sense to them. It feels like, you know, other applications that they're used to, and now it's presenting strategic data that they can make sense of and draw insight from. That means there's a time savings that they can put back into focusing on the buying and strategy.
It's cut out a lot of repetitive tasks in terms of building flights, submitting to publishers.
Showing the right ad to the right people, making that not such advanced functionality that is kind of on the 10% of what we do day to day, but should bring it to the fingertips of the people that need to use it. Bring that more into the mainstream, and you're going to see tremendous benefit to our clients.
For the future, MediaMind's in a great position. There will always be some of the other players trying to build on some technologies and try to catch up, but again, iBlast works so fast that it's going to be hard to catch up to them.